Hi there, it's JB once again. Like how I said that. I'm in my bathroom, as you can tell. Trying to comb my hair, my long hair. Why do I have these items here in front of me? Because it's Tuesday morning and there's nothing much else better to do than to make a video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these downstairs to the garage and I'm gonna clean my wheels, my mag wheels of the Mini Cooper S. I'm gonna do that right now because the rims are kind of caked up with brake dust. So I don't like for the wheels to accumulate too much because as time progresses, as time goes by, it becomes harder and harder to remove it, and the wheel gets very hot and the brake dust actually fuses to the mag wheel, so it starts becoming part of the rim, and then they look just very, very ugly. So let's get to that now. Bye Gigi, bye Mel. Você tá com dor de coração?
Com dor nas costas, terrível.
Oh yeah?
Olha isso aqui, ó.
What is that?
Eu vi música aqui. Vocês conhecem a saber. Não põe eu aí, hein?
Não põe você.
Vocês conhecem a
Eu vou limpar as rodas.
Eu já tive uma ideia e vocês conhecem a discutir aqui. Vou contar.
I'm gonna clean the rims. So let's go downstairs to the garage. To clean the car rims. Now my hands are, one hand is holding the camera, the other one I cannot open the door. Let's go down to the water line. I wish I had 3 arms. It's like I live in a prison. It looks like I live in a prison. Prison planet. You live in a prison planet. Look. See this painting? Whenever you miss summer, just look at this painting. You see? Yeah, right. Why is it so noisy in here? So damn noisy. Nosy. Actually, I'm gonna do this outdoors because it's so dark in here. It's very dark in the garage, as you have seen in my other videos. So I think I'm just gonna yeah, you know, it doesn't help when you're wearing sunglasses indoors, right? In a poorly lit garage. I'm just gonna take the car outside. Take it to the parking lot next door. I'll do it there. So noisy in the garage, and it's very dark. It's not gonna show up. I'm doing that because my back hurts, so if I hear me squirming or whatever you want to call it, because I have to turn around to look him backwards. I think I've done that in every single video that I've done in the car, that I had to turn and go. Don't get stupid ideas. Orgasmic explosions. Also, the wash bay area, designated car wash area, wash bay area, it's very poorly lit as well. It's good to wash your car under good lighting where you can see what you're doing. You can actually see the dirt. So what I'm gonna do, there's a parking lot here. These idiots. So here we are at the parking lot of my building. Got my wallet here. Get the key out. I can put some music on. I don't know if I should. Is my CD player not working? Or did I take out the CD and I never replaced it? So, believe it or not, it's May here in Canada. For those that are watching the video outside of Canada, maybe some of my relatives in Brazil may be watching the video. And this is supposed to be our spring, the beginning of our spring, the beginning of the summer, but it's very lousy weather. So, I'm not very happy about that. My CD, there it is. I'm gonna get a strike against me because of this copyright, because of the music. Cold. So there's the wheel that I'm gonna clean. I'm gonna clean all four, but I'll just film maybe one or two for you to see. Try to get this at an angle to see if it's gonna. Yeah, sort of shows it. You can see how dirty it is. Ouch, my knee. Christ, man. Fucking dirty.
Be able to love you like I will. She is a stranger.
Well, it's not working very well. I need a proper wheel cleaner, professional wheel cleaner product. This is not working out at all. Maybe acid, some wheel acid or something like that. So that's it. It's as best as I could get it to become. The rumor. That's it, man.